You guys always compliment my perfect eyeliner, so today I'm gonna show you how to get that perfect wing every single time you apply an eyeliner, that too on hooded eyes. But first, make sure that you're not doing these mistakes. Never start your eyeliner from the beginning of your eyelid, instead start from the end of your eyelid. Start your eyeliner from the waterline of the lower lid instead of upper lid. If you really don't want to mess up with your eyeliner, then make sure that the wand that you're using to apply your eyeliner is super thin. Now draw a straight line from your waterline and draw a triangle, but make sure that you don't close your eyes while drawing this triangle. And now fill that triangle properly. You don't have to draw complete eyeliner if you have hooded eyes, or else it will look very unflattering. A complete eyeliner will hide your eyeshadow work, so it is better to maintain half eyeliner. I also prefer to apply eyeliner in the inner corner of my eyes to create that fox look. You can even skip this part. Lastly, wear false lashes or apply mascara to volumize your eyelashes, and that's it. Here you have that perfect wing eyeliner, that too on hooded eyes. Lastly, if you found this video useful, then do hit that subscribe button or follow button depending upon where you're watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.